lost your Presto card a euro, or maybe you just wanted to link it from your account. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to remove your Presto card online in just a few simple steps. Alright, first things first. Fire up your web browser and head over to the Presto card website Presto.com. Make sure you're on the official site to protect your information. Next, log into your Presto account. Enter the email address and password you used when you created your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't sweat it. Just click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account overview. Look for the section labeled Manage Cards or something similar and give it a click. Now, you should see a list of all the Presto cards currently linked to your account. Find the card you want to remove. There should be a Remove button, which is an X button. Click on that button to remove your card. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the card. Read the message carefully, and if you're certain, click Confirm or Yes to proceed. And that's it. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the card has been successfully removed from your account. Your Presto card will be removed from this account. This is also a good time to check your transaction history to make sure everything is accurate.